Ever wondered what it's like to be a superhero in the caregiving world? Imagine donning a cape, swooping in to save the day with expert caregiving skills, armed with kindness and a supersized sense of humor. That's right, we're turning the ordinary into the extraordinary, because who said caregiving can't have a side of awesome? Welcome to the future of caregiving in Canada, where the 2024 Caregiver pilot program is about to rewrite the script on serious with a dash of hilarity. This isn't just about taking care of business, it's about doing it with a wink and a smile. It's about redefining caregiving as a superhero role, where compassion meets comedy and every day brings a new adventure. So, are you ready to embrace the extraordinary in the everyday? Buckle up for a rollercoaster ride of compassion and comedy with the all-new 2024 Caregiver pilot program. Welcome to the future of caregiving in Canada, where the 2024 Caregiver pilot program is about to rewrite the script on serious with a dash of hilarity. Today, we're talking about the 2024 Caregiver pilot program, an initiative that's turning the world of caregiving on its head. But before we dive in, let's take a brief stroll down memory lane. Back in 2019, Canada launched 2 groundbreaking pilot projects for caregivers. These initiatives were not just about providing jobs. They were about recognizing the vital role caregivers play in our society and offering them pathways to permanent residency. Fast forward to now, and we're on the cusp of an exciting new chapter. With the 2 pilot projects set to conclude on June 17th, 2024, it's time to take stock of what's been achieved and where we're headed next. Let's just say, the future's looking bright. In 2022 alone, the program welcomed approximately 1,100 caregivers and their families as permanent residents. That's over 1,000 lives transformed, 1,000 dreams realized, and 1,000 testimonies to the program's success. But it doesn't stop there. The 2024 Caregiver pilot program is all about taking this success to the next level. Imagine a world where caregiving isn't just a job, but a superhero's mission, complete with a cape, expert skills, and a healthy dose of humor. That's what we're aiming for. We're not just changing lives. We're making caregiving an extraordinary adventure. But remember, these programs are only open to individuals who have prior caregiving job experience. You need to be armed with kindness, a supersized sense of humor, and a willingness to work hard. And in return, you'll be a part of an initiative that's about more than just taking care of business. It's about doing it with a wink and a smile, and redefining what it means to be a caregiver. These programs provide opportunities for caregivers to work in Canada, with pathways to permanent residency based on specific work experience requirement and meeting other eligibility criteria. So, are you ready to join the ranks of caregiving superheroes? The future is waiting. Let's make it extraordinary, together. Ready to join the ranks of these caregiving superheroes? Here's how you can apply. First, you'll need a job offer from a Canadian employer. This is an essential step in the process. So dust off your resume, highlight your caregiving experience, and start reaching out to potential employers. Once you have that job offer in hand, the next step is to meet the language proficiency requirements. Brush up on your English or French skills, because you'll need to demonstrate a Canadian language benchmark of 5. Don't worry, there are plenty of resources out there to help you polish your language proficiency. In addition to language skills and a job offer, you'll also need to meet other qualifications. For instance, you'll need to show that you have at least 1 year of Canadian post-secondary education or its foreign equivalent. You'll also need to pass an admissibility check, which includes health, criminality, and security assessments. Now, let's talk about processing times. These can vary depending on the complexity of your application and the volume of applications received. However, Immigration, Refugees and Citizenship Canada, or IRCC, aims to process most applications within 12 months, so the sooner you apply, the better. On January 1st, 2024, IRCC reset the cap and began accepting applications for 2 caregiver pilot programs, the Home Childcare Provider Pilot and the Home Support Worker Pilot. These are direct to permanent residence categories, giving you the opportunity to not just work in Canada, but to make it your home. These programs are designed specifically for applicants with caregiving work experience. They were launched in 2019 and are set to expire on June 17, 2024. Remember, the sooner you apply, the better. The 2023 cap for online applicants in the home child care provider pilot was reached on April 14, 2023. So don't delay. Your caregiving superhero journey awaits. But what if you're not eligible for permanent residency under these programs? Well, there's still a path for you. Temporary resident caregivers, this one's for you. Just because you're not eligible for permanent residency doesn't mean you're out of options. You can apply to extend your work permit through the Temporary Foreign Worker Program. This is a fantastic opportunity for those who want to continue their journey as caregivers in Canada. But here's the catch. It's not as simple as just filling out a form. Your employer needs to get a positive or neutral labour market impact assessment, also known as an LMIA. This is an application that your employer submits to Employment and Social Development Canada. It's a way to prove that they've tried but haven't been able to find a Canadian or permanent resident with the necessary skills to fill your position. So, even if you're not eligible for permanent residency, there are still options available to you. So, are you ready to become a superhero in the caregiving world? This is the question that the Canada Caregiver Pilot Program's 2024 asks of you. It's a call to arms for all those who have the experience and the heart to make a real difference in the lives of those who need it most. We've talked about the Home Child Care Provider Pilot and the Home Support Worker Pilot, both set to redefine caregiving with a dash of hilarity. They offer pathways to permanent residency, an opportunity to work in Canada, and the chance to turn the ordinary into the extraordinary. But remember, these programs are not just about the job, they're about the joy of caregiving. It's about bringing a sense of humor, compassion, and expert caregiving skills to the table. So if you're up for the challenge, why wait? Consider applying today or sharing this information with someone who might be interested. Remember, caregiving isn't just about taking care of business, it's about doing it with a wink and a smile. So, why not put on that cape and join the ranks of caregiving superheroes in Canada? Before we end this video, we would like to remind you to become an active part of our caregiving community. How? It's simple. Just hit that like button if you found this video helpful. You can also subscribe to our channel to stay updated on the latest in caregiving and the 2024 Caregiver Pilot programs. And don't forget to click the notification bell so you won't miss out on any of our new videos. We're here to provide you with all the information you need to become a caregiving superhero. So don't hesitate to share your thoughts, experiences, or questions in the comments section below. We'd love to hear from you. Remember, every like, share, and subscription helps us reach more potential superheroes like you. So let's make the world of caregiving a little brighter, one video at a time. Stay tuned for more, and as always, keep that superhero spirit alive. Your engagement doesn't stop at hitting the like button or subscribing to our channel. We value your voice and want to hear more from you. If you have any questions, concerns, or suggestions about what you'd like to see in our upcoming videos, please leave a comment in the section below. Your thoughts and ideas can help shape our content, making it more relevant and beneficial for you and others in our caregiving community. We also encourage you to share your personal experiences and stories as a caregiver. Your unique perspective might just be the inspiration someone else needs. Remember, this channel is not just ours, it's yours too. We're in this journey together, learning and growing as we strive to become better caregiving superheroes. We appreciate your feedback and eagerly look forward to bringing you more content that you want to see. So, keep those comments coming and stay tuned for more informative and inspiring videos. Together, let's make our caregiving community stronger and more vibrant. Until our next video, keep that superhero spirit alive and strong.